Hey guys, it's me, GamerBoy123 Ahmed, and today I'm with my friends Pancake, Christian, Public Enemy, Mango, and Pancake. And there's one person who's actually snoring. If you listen very carefully, there's a guy next to in the middle. His name is Christian Fan. And he's fucking snoring right now. If you listen very carefully, but ignore my friends. They're playing 21. I turn my fucking mic up. Christian, you fat ugly cunt, you fucking waste man, you pussy out. Just listen very carefully to what Christian's snoring.
16. Oh my god!
Yeah, as you can see, guys, there's Christian fans. The fan is fucking snoring that waste, man.
20. Mikey, what comes after 20?
21? 21?
Wait, let me emphasize.
21?
Right, what am I doing this
See, I don't think you can hear it properly, but you can actually hear Christian fan snoring. But you just ignore what my friend's saying. Christian, Public, Mankey, and Pancake. Ignore what they're saying.
What am I doing now?
When you've got empathy for someone, that's when you put yourself in the shoes and you imagine how they feel.
Ignore what they're saying, guys. I'm sorry if you can hear all this. Just ignore it.
Do you mean exaggerate? Let me emphasize.
You get Christian snoring.
That's when you put yourself in somebody's shoes, mate, so they know how you feel.
Fucking dick
Challenge. Gangster. Gangster say, please come. Now, I'm horny.
Oh, for fuck's sake, yes I'm ready.
Casey, did you hear that?
Come now. I'm horny. Right, do it. We're doing it again now.
Alright, princess.
Calm down, look.
Right, let's go again then.
Can we do it with
Hey, princess, we're just playing the game. I'm sure you'll listen to it and you'll find it quite funny.
Oh, for God's sake. Right, screw it, I'm starting. 1.
Go on. 1, Jordan.
2.
5.
6.
7, 8, 9.
Actually, no, they're just playing 21s.
Yeah.
Now there's 5 people. Someone
This one we just put down the mic heavy, it's Christy. Basically says.
13.
Christian.
Oh, yes. I have 13.
14, 15.
16, 17, 18.
No, Jordan, please, no. Oh, fuck.
No, it's you now, Mikey.
Oh, it's me. Oh, yeah, it's me, innit?
Don't you fucking dare, Mikey. I'm your clan leader. Don't you dare, 18. Don't you dare.
Wait, what are we on?
18.
19.
You piece of fucking shit. What's my trigger?
I'm done.
Message Josh, say I'm still alive.
Please, guys, just ignore what they're saying. I'm not gonna send this video, but it's funny with Christian.
You alright? Oh, should I just write, are you still alive?
Christian.
Are you still alive, sexy?
Fuck off, Zahib, man. You fucking.
Oh, are you still alive, lover man?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, pumpkin.
First comes in love and goes punk.
Yes,
You hear it.
Why is Zahib join?
Jordan, you're lucky to have. Jordan, you've got to repay the favour now. I did it for you, so you've got to do it for me.
Right.
Because I had the choice between pancake and you, and I chose to go with pancake. So pancake, let's do it.
Isn't it?
No, I haven't had to go for ages.
Yeah,
You've been teaming up on
I'm
me,
trying to get
dickhead.
Pancake out. I want to try and see where this competition is.
Oh, that's a Habe
I'll
left.
start. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9.
Oh shit, no. Yes, yes. 11, 12, 13.
14.
Oh, fuck's sake, you're a dickhead. Come on, is it going to be me?
Think about it.
Jordan, I hate you. Why are you so meanful?
If you think about it, we can get Jordan here. Think about the numbers you're going to say. He said 15.
No, wait,
that's
we'll see.
your-
We'll get Jordan this time. Fuck.
Yeah.
I never mind getting you. I'll get Jordan.
Oh, good. Right, it's your turn now. It's on 15.
16, 17, 18.
19. My brain. Jordan, what's
Oh, you're
after
a
19?
dickhead.
Wait.
No problem, I did it for you once. Jordan, I'm gonna, if I have the choice between you and Pancake, I'm choosing you instantly so you can get it. Yeah.
We're
Yeah,
on
but
19.
I can't help it because either way I've got to say 20.
Yeah, I know. But now, Jordan, I'm not on your side because of what you did. Should have been 15, 16.
Anyway, guys, I'd say you could go up to Sky's room and say, "Oh, sister, you have one sexy ass."
She's not in the room, dickhead, she's outside.
That's a go.
No, I'm supposed to go with my sister outside when she's like, I don't know, maybe at park, which is like, I don't know, like 10-minute walk.
No, where are you right now?
My bed.
In her bed.
Tell her on the phone that she's got a big
Okay,
phone.
guys, I'm gonna end the video there. If you heard that person snoring, it's actually Christian fan and the one next to underneath my name.
I don't know why he's listening.
Yeah, and sorry if you can hear those names. So
No, not Roman as well.
just ignore them if you can
Layman.
hear those swearings or funny talks and that stuff.
I'm just gonna let you
Yeah,
know,
so I'm gonna end the video here and hope you guys enjoyed it and hope to see you again.
Watching videos, so
Oh.
what we're gonna do is sit here listening. So you know, it'll be pretty boring for you. So if you wanna leave, feel free. If you wanna stay, then it's totally up to you.
You know what I'm gonna do?
And hope to see. And I'll surely do another. I'll surely upload another video tomorrow. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos and peace out.
Right, screw it.